Hello everyone, Blackview has recently announced the upcoming launch of their latest tablet, the Blackview Tab 16. This new tablet will feature an expansive 11-inch 2K full view display with its tough island, low blue light certified to minimize eye tiredness. The Tab 16 is designed to be a powerful productivity tool for learning, office, and education, equipped with a stylus and keyboard with a notebook-like touch panel for comfortable use. With a slim and lightweight body of 7.95mm and 553 grams, the Tab 16 boasts a giant 7680 mAh battery that can last up to 18 hours of daily use, ensuring users won't have to worry about power drainage when on the go. For recording lectures or meetings, the Tab 16 is equipped with a 30-megapixel rear camera and a 8-megapixel front camera. The front camera also supports AI face unlock, making it quick and easy to access the device. The Tab 16 is powered by octa-core Unisoc T616 chipset, providing a 7% increase in RAM processing, making it suitable for learning, office work, or gaming. It will also have 256GB of RAM, up to 14GB of RAM, and 1TB TF card expansion, providing plenty storage for digital content. The Tab 16 will come with docOS 3.0 based on Android 12, offering improved design, convenience, and smoothness. It will also have a SmartKey quad-box speakers that provide 3D stereo sound and the Widevine L1 certification, ensuring users can enjoy high-quality streaming apps. The Blackview Tab 16 is expected to be a high productive and portable device, ideal for users who need more space than their phone but want something more portable than the PC. The world's premiere of the Tab 16 is set on the launch from March 20 to 26 with a big sale on offer. Interested customers are encouraged to visit the sale link below this video and take advantage of the good prices. Don't miss your chance to grab your new Blackview Tab 16 today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.